Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on February 17th when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $4.95, and at this point my main assumption was that we have a very good we hit a very good accumulation point right below $4.5, and from this point we should go higher. We should probably retest this level of resistance of $5.41. And guys, pay your attention to this level. Then we might have a retracement and we might see another leg to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of NIO. You can see that I made my previous video somewhere at this point at $4.95, and since I made it, this asset didn't break this level of support. You can see that it retested it 3 times, then it hit to the tick for $5.41 and had this bounce to the downside. And guys, let me pay your attention to another video that I made before my previous video. As you can see, I made it 3 weeks ago on February the 5th, and the price was at $4.44. And as you can see, I already drew this projection, this blueprint of its upcoming movement, that it should hit $5.41 and should have a retracement. And guys, this is the actual price action, and you can see how powerful technical analysis is. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to receive this type of call to trades on a consistent basis with the risk-free 100 money-back guarantee offer, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and on today's video I will show you what catalyst NIO might have in the upcoming weeks, what price action we can anticipate, and how we can benefit out of its movements. So, and let's start with the general sentiment related to NIO Stock. This is the cnvpost.com website, and I want to pay attention first of all on several titles of this news. As you can see, NIO inks Bosch deal during the Chairman Chancellor's China visit. Very good collaboration with one of the biggest suppliers of electronic components, and as you can see, they will be partners with the steer-by-wire chassis, battery management systems, powertrain systems, and autonomous driving. Guys, definitely it is a very good partnership that will improve NIO's position. On top of that, guys, NIO confirms its chip unit secures $330 million in first-round funding. They opened their new division, which will produce their own chips for their own company. On top of that, guys, they have a set of records of deliveries, and it is a very good to see on the first quarter of this year. And by the way, in a minute I will show you why it is a very important threshold for the company. You can see that they beat several records in terms of their delivery and in terms of their battery as a swap service stations. You can see that NIO sees new single-day battery swap service record during a peak travel period in China. The new record is 146,649 battery swaps on February 15th. Then, guys, they beat this record again on February 22nd. They completed 177.627 battery swap services. And definitely, it is a very good sign that their battery as a swap service is a very stable and very cost-effective part of their business that generates consistent cash flow for the company. But guys, I want to pay attention in details. I want to show you this news in details. NIO, wait a second, NIO to report Q4 results on March 10th after record deliveries pave way for first profit. And here's the bullet points. Earlier this month, NIO issued a rare profit alert, projecting fourth quarter non-GAP operating profit between RMB 700 million and RMB 1.2 billion. Following a robust fourth quarter performance, NIO and its domestic peers now confront fresh industry headwinds as they enter 2026. And as you can see, they have the green line represents year 2025. And they have a consistent improvement on each and every month, on each and every quarter, of 2025 compared to 2024 and 2023. It is a very good sign that the company is consistently growing. On top of that, guys, they will achieve their profitability for the first time. And I would say that the company also expects to record operating profit on stricter GAAP standards, which means, guys, it is not an exception. They will not exclude any spendings from their balance sheet, and this is a very strict standard that will definitely show how stable the company is. And that is why, guys, from the fundamental standpoint, I believe NIO has all the chances to improve its position, and this should propel their share price. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me remind you that we are, and NIO is in a so-called diagonal movement, which means we don't have a five-way structure with an impulsive movement, but inside these diagonals we might see five-way structure. And to be honest, from this bottom we could have two options. We can have two options. Wait a second, option number one is this one. We might have this ABC correction to the upside, and A wave should have and might have 3 or 5 waves in it. B wave should have 3 waves in it, and C wave should strictly have 5 waves in it. And option number 2 is this one. We might have this 5-wave structure to the upside, and in the first 3 set of waves we might have 5-3-5 movement, and which means we don't have any difference between this option and this option as well. Wait a second, this option as well. That is why, guys, this blueprint is still active, and I drew it, as you can see, back in wait a second, February the 5th. And basically more than 3 weeks ago, which means, guys, this blueprint is still active, and it can be very precise to this point. It can be very similar to somewhere here, to the top of the C wave or to the top of the wave 3 of this movement, and then we might see some discrepancies in its movements. But for now, guys, if you want to benefit out of the next leg to the upside, you can accumulate your position to the downside, and this asset for now shouldn't break this yellow line. It can can retest it probably, but it shouldn't break it. And in the most conservative way, you can put your stop loss slightly below this bottom, and you can rely on its movement to the upside that potentially might hit the golden pocket range, the level somewhere in between $6.65 and $6.76. So it is a very good swing trade. Be cautious with your position, accumulate using dollar cost averaging, and see you in the next video. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.